Okay, when you go to Glencoe.com, you're going to go in and choose your state. So we're going to pick New York. We're going to pick teacher, and we're going to go over to subject area and pick science. I'm going to enter that, and when I enter it, it takes me to the main science page. Now for the New York specific program, for the national programs, you can go into biology, chemistry, and so on. When you go into New York specific programs, if you click on this, here is chemistry, matter, and change, earth science, here's living environment. So when I click into that website, it's going to take me to that specific website. Now the easiest way to use this is to actually click into the resources under textbook resources. That brings up a side margin under Student Center, and from there you can click open and look at any chapter that you desire. Now when you pull it up, then all these activities are tied directly to the chapter. So for the videos to the chapter, you're going to go to Concepts in Motion. So here there's a whole series of these for this chapter. We're going to go to the fluid mosaic model.
The plasma membrane is composed of a bilayer formed by two chains of phospholipid molecules.
So it goes through the Concepts in Motion, which is the animation. If I back arrow, I can go into the virtual lab. I can go into the standardized test practice. If I want to look at the brain pops that are available for biology, I can click into the brain pops and open any one of those and watch the short brain pop movie that goes along with it. Play the movie.
Oh, thank you. Dear Tim and Moby, where does the Earth get all the water to make it rain?
Now, if I go back, and I'm going to go back to the science homepage. Actually, let me click out of this, go back to science homepage. Let me give you another example. We're going to go down to physics, and there's not a New York specific physics book, but I'm going to click open the National Physics and go to Glencoe Physics 2009. This is going to work the same way. When I open up the physics website, if I click on anything under the Student Center, I pick the drop-down box menu, then I'm going to go to Chapter 7. Here are the concepts in motion, and all of these animations go along with that chapter. Another way to use it for any of the sites is to, on the red bar, click on Site Map, and this will actually give you a drop-down menu of every unit and every chapter and exactly what's found. So if I scroll down, let's say I'm looking for one of the applets in physics, and I come down to Chapter 5, I can click on the applets, which are kind of miniature virtual labs, and I can bring that up and go into it and actually then run the applet right from the website. The only thing, so here I can adjust the friction and so on, the angle of the plane, increase it, and then I can hit go and actually watch the data change as I go through it. Now the only thing on here that has password protection is the online student edition, and that's something that goes with the website when you do it. If you have any other questions from the website, please contact Josh, or you can contact me at dj_west@mcgraw-hill.com. I hope this is helpful in looking at the website when you go into it.